Plants are divided into two groups, vascular and non-vascular. Vascular plants have seeds, roots, stems, leaves, and flowers. Roots suck up water from the soil. They also keep the plant in the ground.
Do flowers really need stems? For a science project this year, we have to cut a flower stem off. And then you cut off another one but leave its stem on. Which flower will last longer?
All vascular plants need stems. Stems bring nutrients and water from the soil. Stems contain the xylem and the phloem, the tubes that transport nutrients and water. Hello, today we are doing an experiment on leaves. These leaves come from trees. Trees are divided into two groups, deciduous and coniferous. They are the biggest plants. The leaves we are studying are deciduous. Conifers have needles instead of leaves. Photosynthesis makes the plant's food. They use chlorophyll, a green chemical in the plant, and sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide.
Plants get carbon dioxide by opening their stomatas. But when they open their stomata, water escapes.
We've heard that leaves have stomata, and they have to open the stomata to allow carbon dioxide in, but also that it causes a serious problem with water escaping. So we're going to show what happens when the water escapes versus when the water can't escape. So what we're doing is we are coating leaves in, this is vegetable shortening. The experiment book said to use petroleum jelly, but me being me, I didn't happen to have that on hand. I've got Crisco. So we're going to coat one leaf on both sides with the Crisco, and then the top of the next one, the bottom of the next one, and then not at all on the fourth one. This leaf, we're just going to coat the shortening on the top of the leaf. It'll be nice and shiny on the top, right like that. This leaf, we're just going to put the shortening on the back. So we're just going to coat it good. Hopefully this doesn't make the sunroom here smell funny. There we go. And this leaf, we are not going to put anything on it at all. We're just going to tie the string to it. And what we're actually going to do is we're going to go and hang it from our ceiling fan.
Yeah. Transpiration is how plants lose extra water. Water loses stomata. Transpiration helps the plant get more water by creating a vacuum that sucks up water and nutrients. The rate of transpiration is how fast the plant loses water. This depends on wind, humidity, sunlight, and temperature.
Alright, so we'll start simply. What's this?
Petals.
Okay. What are these little things here?
Pollen.
Stamen, which make the
Pollen.
What's the part of the stamen that makes the pollen called?
Sticky stamen.
Yeah. I don't remember actually.
Those are the anthers.
Anthers, yes.
Right. And then the anthers are on the stamen, and what do they stand up on? You have two parts of the stamen. You have the anther and the
Styles.
No.
Ovary.
No.
filament. If you look at it, you think of it like a light bulb filament, right? So what's the female part called?
That's the pistil.
It's the pistil. What's this part at the top? It's so sticky it kind of stuck to my pen, I think.
Stigma.
Stigma.
Why is this?
Sandstand.
Yes. Why is the stigma sticky?
Because it needs to collect pollen.
That's right. What is the part of the pistil that holds up the stigma called?
Style.
Mm-hmm. And then down here you can just kind of see it if you come and look. Can you see?
What?
Here you can kind of see. This is the plant. What?
Ovary.
Good. And then the little tiny leaves down here. What are they called?
Petals.
And
I mean,
Remember, starts with an S.
stigma.
Nope. Do you remember, Aaron?
Style.
Nope.
I don't remember.
Stamen.
The sepal.
Sepal.
First you peel off the seed coat.
Okay. What is that?
Root and stem.
Then there's the root and stem.
Anybody can answer.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. These two white things are called what?
Leaves.
They're sort of like,
Cotyledons.
yes. And we open up in here. What do the cotyledons do?
They help you make. They help the seed make food.
Because they contain what is called the,
Endosperm.
and right here we can see the,
Leaves.
Leaves.
yes, the embryonic leaves. You can just barely see it. The phone won't focus. There we go. And that is the inside of a seed.
Vascular plants are divided into two groups, monocots and diocots, which are sometimes called eudicots.
Monocots have one cotyledon. Dicots have two cotyledons. Monocots have a fibrous root system. Dicots have a taproot.
Monocots have slender leaves, and diocots have broad leaves. Monocot flower petals are multiples of 3. Dicot flower petals are multiples of 4 or 5.
The cell wall is the plant skeleton. It prevents the cell from bursting with excess water.
Cytoplasm is the green stuff. It holds organelles, and it's where glucose is broken into through glycolysis.
The vacuole is a storage system of the plant cell. It stores waste and sometimes toxins for defense.
Chlorophyll is the basis for photosynthesis.
Mitochondrion, or the powerhouse of the cell. It senses light and is the chloroplast brain.
Ribosomes are the cell's handymen. They create and repair proteins.
Nucleus contains the cell's DNA. It's the brain of the cell.
Nuclear pores are the channels from cytoplasm to the nucleus.
The nuclear envelope protects the nucleus from the cytoplasm.
Nucleoplasm is made out of the same material as cytoplasm.
The nucleolus assembles ribosomes.
The Golgi apparatus is the post office of the cell.
Plasma stomata is the connectors. It's the telephone system of the cell.
Smooth endoplasm reticulum is for detoxing and metabolism.
The rough endoplasmic reticulum produces proteins.